Hello everyone, myself Sikha Kumari. I'm first year MBBS student in ASMU. Today's topic is trachepnea. It is commonly known as trachepnea. It is referred to abnormal rapid breathing. Here's a complete overview and definition about trachepnea. This is a condition where a person has an increased rapid respiratory rate where more breath per minute than normal is usually swallow and fast. Normally respiratory rate in adult is 12 to 20 breath per. Now trachepnea is more than 20 breaths per minute in adults, and what causes the trachepnea? Causes of trachepnea is a psychological temporary cause like exercise, anxiety or panic attack, high altitude like low oxygen, and now pathological causes which is fever or infection, lung diseases like asthma, COPD, pulmonary embolism and heart failure, anemia, and pain or trauma or neurological issues. Now symptoms often associated with trachepnea is shortness of breath, chest pain, cough, fatigue, bluish lip or finger is severe cases, restless or confusion. Now diagnosis, clinical observation, counting breath per minute, pulse oximetry, oxygen saturation, blood test, arterial blood gases, imaging, chest x-ray or CT scan, ECG or echocardiogram if heart involved in suspects. Now treatment is like depend on the underlying cause, but may include oxygen therapy, treating infection through antibiotics or bronchodilation for asthma or COPD, pain relief, managing anxiety, intravenous fluid if dehydration or in shock, emergency care or for trauma or severe distress. Now tachypnea versus other terms like dyspnea. Dyspnea is feeling of difficulty in breathing, and hyperpnea, increased depth of breathing, may or may not be rapid, and hyperventilation is excessive ventilation leading to low carbon dioxide level, and bradypnea is abnormal slow breathing. Now talk about dyspnea. Dyspnea is the subjective feeling of breathlessness or difficulty breathing. Patient may describe it as tightness in the chest, shortness of breath, or not getting enough air. Common cause like cardiac issues and pulmonary diseases like COPD, asthma, pneumonia, and another one is anemia, which reduce oxygen carrying capacity. Obesity or now, dyspnea can be exertional, often physical activity at risk, nocturnal, especially in the heart failure. It is one of the most frequent symptoms leading patient to seek emergency care. Now, apnea. Apnea is complete cessation of breathing for at least 10 seconds. It can occur during sleep or while wake up, depending on the underlying causes. Now, types of apnea. Apnea is obstructive sleep apnea, which is the blockage of the airway, often by the soft tissue in the throat. Central sleep apnea, due to failure of the brain to signal the respiratory muscles. Mixed apnea is a combination of the two. Complications. Repeated episode of apnea during sleep reduce oxygen level and lead to cardiovascular issue like hypertension, arrhythmia, and increased risk of strokes. Now orthopnea. Orthopnea is the inability to breathe comfortably while lying flat. Patient usually need to sleep propped up with pillow or in a sitting position. Seen in congestive heart failure when lying down, venous return increases, or seeing pulmonary congestion. Now severe obesity or ascites. Now orthopnea is a key sign in evaluating cardiac function and in often assessed during patient history taking. Now another one is hyperpnea. Hyperpnea is an increased depth and the rate of breathing. It differs from trachepnea because the breaths are deep rather than shallow. Now physiological hyperpnea can occur during exercise when the body's oxygen demands increases. Now pathological hyperpnea can occur in diabetic ketoacidosis, and high altitude exposure.